very simple way, okay? Happy New Year to you. Happy New Year. Okay? Maybe I've done that, but it doesn't matter. So let's look at this. Solve the square root. S squared minus 7 equal to 3. Or should I use my meter rule? Square roots s squared minus 7 all equal to 3. How do we solve this? This is very simple, okay? What we need to do here, I don't want us to waste time here. Let's just go straight and solve it. Alright? What we need to do, we write solution, okay? Then put down the question the way it is, x squared minus 7, this is minus 7, all equal to 3, okay? Remember, this is a unit, okay? They go together as one, and this is also a different thing altogether. So what we need to do is to square this side and also square the other side. Square the left hand side, also square the right hand side. So let's square the left hand side. If we do that, we have square root x squared minus 7. Look at this. Squared, right? Then we do the same thing this side. 3. Okay, we do the same thing here. 3 squared. That's what we need to do, okay? And then you can see that this squared, we take care of the square roots. And inside the brackets, we have x squared minus 7 all equal to, look at this. Look at this. 3 squared is 9. So we don't have 9 here. But we're not done yet. We have successfully removed the square roots and then introduce square that affect this, giving us 9, right? So the next thing now we need to do is to remove what? Minus 7 to be able to find the value of x. Because we are doing all these things because we want to find the value of x. Okay, so what do we do here? This is minus 7. We introduce the same thing. X squared minus 7. For us to remove minus 7 from the left hand side and introduce it to the right hand side, we need to introduce the opposite of minus 7, which is plus 7. And we do the same thing on the other side. 9 plus 7. That's the way to do that. Okay? You can now see that minus 7 plus 7 vanishes, right? 7 vanishes completely. And we are left with x squared equal to 9 plus 7 is 16. Good. So what happens next? We find the square root of both sides. That's all. If we do that, we have square root x squared is equal to square root 16. But this should be plus upon minus. Plus upon minus, because you don't know the nature of the square root, whether it is positive or negative while crossing sign of equality. This sign of equality, let me write this properly, equal to that. Plus upon minus, square root 16. So this squared, we take care of square roots. And we are left with just x. X is equal to plus upon minus square root of 16 is 4. Yes. Alright? Square root of 16 is 4. Okay? We have now found the value of x. But this value of x has two values, plus 4 and minus 4. Let's see what we can do with that. Let's just see what we can do with that. We say x now is, the value of x is equal to minus 4, comma, plus 4. We can still check this. We go back to the original equation. Let's check. Let's just check and see what we will get, okay? Alright, so let's see. Or we can still do that here. Let's see what we can get. It's still the same thing. If we do that, let's use the original equation. The original equation is simply square roots. X squared minus 7 all equal to 3. I don't know. Chalk. This is 3, right? Good. So we have this. Let's use minus 4 and see what will happen here. Minus 4, let's see what will happen. Alright, let's see what will happen if we do that. Okay, so let's see if we still get the same thing, if we can get equal to 3. So let's see. For this minus 4 squared minus 7, will it give us, let's check, will it give us 3? Let's check. Will this give us 3? So if we do this, we have square roots. This becomes 16 minus 7. 16 minus 7. 16 minus 7 is going to be 9. Okay? Good. Square root of 9 is a 3. So this is correct. So that is it. It's correct. So it could be minus 4 or plus 4. So we are right. That is it. Very simple. It means that this is correct. They actually they wanted us to simplify this in order to find out whether all this will be equal to 3. And you can see it's equal to 3. It's equal to 3. That's the meaning. Okay? Alright. So we take that as number 1 question solved. If you are confused with any of the steps, it's alright, there's no problem.